Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am making a gold buttercream cake for my friend that just turned 50. So this is my first time of making a buttercream gold cake. So I've decided to use a buttercream color yellow after I'd actually crumb coated it with normal buttercream. I thought rather than just using normal buttercream, sometimes when you go ahead and actually, because I'm going to be painting this cake, so when you actually just use normal buttercream, painting the cake, you might end up having quite a lot of white streaks coming through. So I decided that rather than just using normal yellow, I will color rather than normal white, I will color it yellow. So here we go. I'm just trying to scrape out or to actually pipe my cake with this yellow buttercream as thinly as possible because I didn't want it to be too much buttercream covering the whole cake. So I'm trying to use it as sparingly as possible, but it's fine. I will smoothen this out with my scraper. I'm just trying to make sure I've got enough to cover it and use my spatula as I go along. And now I am going to just use my scraper to smoothen it all out. So this cake, as I said, it's the first time I've actually made this cake. I think I was actually watching it on somebody else's channel. That gave me an idea. Rather than just, make a cake, buttercream it, as I said, with normal buttercream, the yellow came out really, really, really nice. As you will see as I go along, that the cake board is gold. So by the time I finish making this cake, it will actually blend in so well that you won't even realize or recognize that I actually didn't start it off with gold. So now I'm going to paint the cake gold. So I actually mixed it with a bit of gold lust and some alcohol. Now some people might prefer not to use alcohol, which is fine. You can go to the shops and find some non-alcoholic liquid that you can use to mix and paint your gold lust onto the cake. So and while I did this, I didn't actually put any measurements together, so I just poured a bit of gold dust into a container and added some alcohol. Now this is the second coat because the first coat I did was really running and really thin because, like I said, I didn't get to measure anything. So I thought, you know what, rather than just do one coat, 2 coats would be nice. And it is coming together nicely. I'm quite surprised once I started applying the second coat. As I said, it started to come together, that it started to look like the same color as the cake board. Man, I was impressed. As I said, my first time. So very, very impressed with the outcome. Now, lesson learned along the way. When you're making a buttercream cake, make sure the buttercream is as hard and solid, because my brush was making a little dents here and there because I forgot to put it back in to the fridge after I applied the first coat. But hey ho, lesson learned. As I said, second coat, some little dents here and there from my brush, but yeah, if I do this next time, I will definitely put it back in the fridge to solidify some more. Well, here we go. So now it's time to start decorating the cake. Now my friend turned 50. She actually turns 50. Actually wanted it as simple as possible, but I thought I can't make a cake without putting any cake balls. I love my cake balls. So I thought, how many can I get on here without her saying they are too many? Well, there's never too many cake boards. It beautifies the cake, enhances the cake, and makes it more desirable to see. So trying to work out which way, which angle. But hey ho, it's good to just play around with the cake until you get the desired design you are looking for. Sometimes freestyling is best. There's no point trying to copy so many people's, the cakes they've done. Try and make your own. Try and be creative. Have your own ideas when you're making a cake. So for me, I like freestyling. So I played around. Well, as you can see, I was going to stop there, and then I decided maybe to add some more. So I did. And here we are, almost finished. As you can see, the cake, the gold cake is more or less the same color with the cake board. So you can see that's my friend's name, Adobe, at 50. And then I thought, there's something missing. Where is my happy birthday? I need to add an happy birthday to it. Voila. Here I go. She won't mind. It is simple, isn't it? It's not too much. So, happy birthday, Adobe, at 50. There I go. Now, I believe I'm done. That's what she wanted. I'm happy with the result. And now I shall be sending it to her. Yeah, and as I said, I decided to add some more, little colours there. And the cake is ready for delivery. And it, by the way, obviously it's a sponge cake. That's her choice. And I'm sure she will enjoy it with friends and family as they come to celebrate her birthday. So stay tuned on my channel. I'll be dropping some more videos. I'm new to YouTube, so any comments, please be friendly, please be nice. Refrain from saying anything unkind on my channel. So stay tuned as I drop some more videos over the weeks and the months to come. Oh yeah, so there it is. Happy birthday, Adobe at 50. Yay! Done. Good job, girl. So stay tuned, and there we go. Peace and bye for now. Okay.